Welcome to at Richest Billionaires Homes, where we take you on exclusive tours of the most luxurious and opulent homes around the world. Today, we're diving into the epitome of modern luxury living in the heart of Beverly Hills. Once upon a time in the glamorous hills of Beverly, there stood a mansion so grand, it made even the stars jealous. This wasn't just any mansion, it was a $126 million modern mega mansion, perched on a 10-acre promontory estate, offering views so breathtaking, even the clouds stopped to admire. As you drive up the long, private road, you might feel like you're entering a secret lair of a billionaire superhero. And you wouldn't be far off. At the end of this drive, a guard booth and gated entrance ensure that only the most privileged get a peek inside. The lavish motor court, with its timeless modern architecture, greets you like a red carpet rolled out just for you. The main house, a sprawling 21,661 square feet of pure luxury, stands tall and proud. But wait, there's more. A 3,166 square foot car museum, complete with a turntable and a sliding glass garage door with a waterfall entry, caters to the finest automobiles. It's like a playground for grown-ups who never outgrew their love for toy cars. Loving the tour? Smash that like button and subscribe to at Richest Billionaires Homes for your VIP pass to the world's swankiest crib. Your support keeps us rolling in luxury real estate goodness. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a world where opulence knows no bounds. The mansion boasts 8 bedrooms and 20 bathrooms, because why not? 2 elevators whisk you between the 3 stories, ensuring you never have to take the stairs unless you want to. The home theater is perfect for movie nights, while multiple offices provide the ideal space for plotting world domination or just catching up on emails. Feeling thirsty? Choose from a variety of bars or head to the wine and scotch cellar, where the finest spirits await. For those who prefer a more active lifestyle, the state-of-the-art home gym, salon, and yoga room are at your disposal. And when hunger strikes, the gourmet kitchen is ready to whip up a feast fit for royalty. But the real magic happens outside. The pool house haven and cantilevered spa with an indoor-outdoor pool offer the ultimate relaxation experience. Lap pools, lush gardens, and natural ponds create a serene oasis, while the outdoor cinema and fire features add a touch of Hollywood glamour. Imagine watching your favorite film under the stars, with the fire pit crackling nearby and the majestic panoramic views as your backdrop. The 5,000 square foot guest house isn't just for guests, it can be transformed into a rejuvenation center, perfect for unwinding after a long day of luxury living. And let's not forget the cascading water feature, which, coupled with the fire pit, creates a resort-style atmosphere that makes every day feel like a vacation. This hilltop sanctuary is more than just a home, it's a private oasis offering the ultimate luxury lifestyle of elegance and solitude. So, whether you're hosting a grand soiree or simply enjoying a quiet evening by the fire, this Beverly Hills mansion is the epitome of modern luxury living. And who knows, maybe one day, you'll be the lucky one to call it home. Until then, we can all dream, can't we? Thanks for tagging along on this epic tour. Drop a comment below on what blew your mind the most about this mansion. And hey, for more jaw-dropping luxury home tours, keep it locked on at Richest Billionaires Homes. Catch you in the next video.